Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Younger Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her. Special bonus chapter. But why is she's really succubus and she was going after for ghosting. We can really wait what's gonna happen. But for now, ghosting, she keeps staring on Mengyans. I didn't write these scenes. Well, she was right about this and she got really surprised and she don't know what to do. Stokey says, hurry up, Licking Moyang is here. You have to talk to him. Now, Gusing said to Mengyan. I'm hungry, Mengyan said to her. These two, they're really gone crazy. It's enough. This is the third time today. It's enough for the 3 meals. Can't you wait until he drops you off at home? Well, Gusing said to Mengyan. You didn't feed me yesterday. I'm really hungry. Well, why are you forcing me? It's annoying. Well, you, please, slow down. Well, these two, they're really getting crazy to each other. But if I get hungry at a wedding, you better knock him, and you can marry me in his place. Well, Man said to her, now, this is really getting crazy. Hungry. How could Yusukevis start to death so easily? Finally, a hero and heroine fell in love successfully, and I was about to complete my mission and go home. You and Miyang can go on your honeymoon. I will find another excuses to hide it from here. How long have you going to keep playing with the sisters of yours? Aren't you afraid that she'll find out and abandon you? It turns out that everything is a trap and all my efforts are jokes in the eyes of others. I also don't want to be like the heroine in domineering novel. Run away to place where she can find me. Why? I did become a succubus too. Did I feed the succubus too much? No, Kusing said to herself. Well, it turns out this is really getting crazy. Now that she's been a succubus, she was screaming. Well, Mengyan, she was teasing her so much. Well, we knows that Mengyan always teases her without any reason. Even I starve to death today, I won't eat a single bite. Even if I jump off here, well, Mengyan, she's really getting tough. But, of course, Gosing, she seems to be going back down. But, really, I'm so hungry, so hungry. As expected, you have to very lying to me from the beginning to the end. You have no feeling for me at all. You are just a pure hunger. Now, it makes sense. Gosing, she's getting closer to Mengyan. But, why? Why does my stomach feel so just being close to Mengyan? No, it makes sense, right? The deeper the desires for the owner, the more difficult it is to get what she wants. The heart-wrenching pain is like a stomach that can never be filled. No, it really makes sense. The only thing that can satisfy a succubus love. Now, Mengyan said to Gusing. She was whispering in front of her. Well, this time, what do you think? What is she going to do? It seems that she's really getting tricky. We finally can't live without each other anymore. Well, Mengyan said to Gusing. Well, she was really right about this. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!